Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find this interpretation. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, we put number 0 gone here. So u equals to number 0. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one we put in here, and you got about u equals to b over 2. So number 0 we keep the same. This one we change for this one. Arctanx, that is about u. The s over this one we change for the u. The integration of this one, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. And now I will put b over 2 gone here, number 0 gone here. And we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.